Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, welcome. So these are the three ingredients that I will be using to prepare this treatment. So I'm going to be explaining the benefit of each ingredient and their names. So starting off with the first ingredient, we will be needing dried rosemary leaves. You can also use fresh rosemary, use any that you have. Rosemary is a very powerful and effective herb that you can introduce to your hair, especially if you want to grow your hair fast, if you are struggling with excessive hair loss, if you have bald spots and hair thinning. Using rosemary will be a game changer. If you have not yet used this herb, I don't know what you are waiting for. So if you're experiencing any of these problems I have mentioned, then you need to start including rosemary to your hair care routine, and you will be surprised with how long and thick your hair will grow in a short period of time. Another powerful ingredient I'm going to be adding is dried aloe vera. You can also use fresh aloe vera or aloe vera powder. Use any that you have. I make this by myself by simply grating and drying them under the sun. I live in a place where there is a lot of aloe vera, so I don't have to buy aloe vera powder when I need to use. Aloe vera is a powerful ingredient that you can introduce to your hair and can help to treat various scalp and hair problems. Aloe vera contains vitamin E, which helps to contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth as well as making your hair to grow faster. Moving on to the next ingredient, I'm going to be making use of dried mint leaves. Now here you can also use fresh mint. There is no any difference between the two, just use any that you have. Mint is another powerful ingredient that you can introduce to your hair care routine and can help to treat various scalp issues like dandruff, scalp inflammation, irritation, and flakiness. Mint has powerful antimicrobial and antifungal properties which can help to control dandruff and scalp inflammation. They are also a great source of keratin and antioxidants, which can help to promote hair growth and prevent hair fall. Now that you know the benefit of each ingredient, next I'm going to transfer each one of them to this mason jar. I'm going to be making use of 2 tablespoons of each. I'm gonna make an effective treatment, so that's why I'm using 2 tablespoons of each. There is no any specific measurement here, just feel free to use any measurement depending on how effective and how long you want your treatment to last. Now after we've added all the ingredients to the mason jar, next I'm going to be adding water, and I'm going to be using about 1.5 cup of hot water. So here you can also use cold water. I like to infuse my ingredients with hot water because it helps to infuse them faster without having to kill important nutrients, and I don't have to wait for long. So now I'm going to cover the ingredients and I will wait for 24 hours for infusion process to take place. So guys, this is after 24 hours of infusion. You can see the ingredient infused very well. The color is looking amazing. Right now, I'm going to be straining out the treatment. Hope you guys are enjoying the video up to this point, and if so, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Join the family and also turn on the bell notification so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. So this is how our hair growth treatment looks. Now you can see how amazing it's looking and beautiful. Now let's go ahead and transfer to this applicator bottle as I go ahead and show you guys how to use on our hair. My hair is not that dry, but I needed to moisturize it. So I'm going to apply the treatment in sections. Applying in sections simplifies everything for me, and I don't experience unnecessary breakage because the hair is in small section. So if you want to avoid breakage, just try to apply any treatment in sections. So as you can see now, I'm applying the treatment from the roots of my hair as I move towards the ends, and I saturate each section. Once I apply the treatment, I make sure that each single hair strand is well saturated, and then I use my fingers to finger detangle. And after that, I'm going to be using my hair growth butter. One thing I strictly follow is to moisturize my hair by using a hair butter or a leave-in conditioner. Do not skip this step. It is very important because your hair will not dry out and it will not break. So use anything that you use to moisturize your hair, either a hair butter or a leave-in conditioner. When using this treatment, you feel a difference on your scalp. It makes your scalp feel cool and fresh. That's because of mint. Mint is amazing for providing a cooling sensation on your scalp while helping to relieve scalp issues like dandruff, irritation, itchiness, and headache. Apart from that, it is also powerful for increasing hair volume and stopping hair loss and hair thinning in thinning areas. So if you have bald spots and you have receding hairline or weak edges, including this treatment to your hair care routine will be a game changer. Just try to incorporate to your hair care routine. Use it 2 to 3 times a week and do not rinse it out if you want it to be more effective. Personally, I don't rinse out hair growth sprays, and they have really helped me grow my hair to this. As you can see, if you've been watching my videos, my hair was worse, so right now there is a great change. Now we're coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Turn on the bell notification so you'll be always notified each time I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.